Okay, let's start today's post content discussion. So, how many of you gave today's contest and what was your count? Okay, well, we'll start with the first question. The question is, we have an 2D matrix of size n cross m, which has all integers between 1 to n into m, and we need to output another array or another matrix, which each of the element different from the our matrix A. Okay, so this is a question. So what was your approach? This is correct. Circularly, yeah, I understand. So you can do like that. You can shift by one. Mm, You are given a matrix V that I am taking an input n and m and taking input of matrix V. Then circularly shift, and after the shifting, V and S are both are equal. Then we will see out minus one. Else we see out S. Okay. So th- this was the approach. We are circularly shifting each of the element. Then no element will be the same. Basically, if this is the given 2D matrix, then we will be increment each of the element by one, and into m element we will transform into one. So, so one is equal to two, two is equal to three, and one will be three will be one. Okay. So this will be our output. Okay, so that was my. There are many ways to solve this. Um, we can try another approach also. You can do like reverse, will basically reverse, and the position of one you will be give the value n into m. To for the two you will give the n into m minus one. This kind of, but basically here is the edge case. If you are given 1 2 3 and you are changing into 3 to 1, then middle element will be the same if you are doing this approach. So you will uh, swap this element with any other element, like in this code I swap this element with this vi value equal to 1. Okay, so that was my approach during the contest. Let's move on the B. Maybe have you understand the my approach of for the question A? Have you run it out? Okay, let's move on the B. In the B, given like we can select and range L to R, where we can replace all elements between L to R with this operation. The operation is SI XOR with first element. Here is given I minus L plus 1. Basically, L minus L plus 1 is basically 1. So we will doing the operation ith element with the first, I plus 1 element with the second, I plus 3 with the third. Okay. So this kind of operation we will perform. Okay. So basically, if you are given, we will consider this test case. If we are considering this test case, then let's consider this test case. Here we given 0, 1, 0, 0. We need to convert this as into t. So basically, we need to convert this one into 0. To convert s into t, we need to convert this one into 0. There will be only two type of conversion: 0 into 1 or 1 into 0. For if the same, so there is no need to do any kind of operation. If the ith element of s and ith element of t will be the same, then there is not need to perform any operation. So we will do the perform operation for these type of cases: if s equal to 0 and t equal to 1, or s equal to 1 and t equal to 0. So how we can convert 0 into 1? Basically 1 into 0 is simple. If we need to convert in 1 into 0, then you will select the your L equal to particular I and R equal to also particular I. Then your XOR operation will perform 1 XOR gives you 0. 1 XOR 1 gives you 0. So 1 will be converted into 0. So this is easy. If we need to transform, we need to convert 0 into 1. So that is the question: how we will convert 0 into 1? If we need to convert 0 into 1, so there exists an index with 1 XOR 0 equal to 1. And we know if we are starting our L from here, then the first element should be 1. Or we will consider this example which is given in the test case. So then it is easy to convert into 0. But how we will convert this 0 into 1? So to convert this 0 into 1, we will select our L to R range from here, because 1 is on the second position and the ith is also in the second position into L to R range. Okay, so this 0 and this 0 XOR will gives you 0, and 1 and 0 XOR gives you 1. So this is changed into 1. If you given as 0 0 1 0, and now you need to convert this 0 into 1, then what should be the range to convert this 0 into 1? If you understand the approach, then tell me what should be the range to convert this 0 into 1. Am I audible? basically, if you need to convert the third index 0 into 1, so before the third index there should be a 1, so we can convert 1 or 0 equal to 1. How we will match with our range? We will take our range from here. Then our first L equal to this and R equal to 3. L equal to 1 and R equal to 3. Then the operation will perform like 0 or 0, 1 or second element with 0, and 1 or 0. Then this 0 will convert into 1. So there must be exist a 0, but there must be exist a 1 before that 0 we need to convert into 1. Okay. So I will show my code. So I have initialized the counter and the flag variable. If the SI is equal to 1, then I will increment my counter. And SI is not equal to TI. Basically, our first string ith element is not equal to the second string ith element. And if it is 0, if it is 1, then that is fine. We can directly convert 1 into 0. But if it is 0, then there should be a 1 before its index. Okay. So if the counter equal to 0, matlab there was no element with the value 1, so we can't change s into t. So I will initialize my flag variable with 0. So if the flag variable is true, still true after the complete of this for loop, then we will give output yes, otherwise no. Have you understood? Or you have any doubt? Okay. So let's add. If you have still any doubt, you can ask, or otherwise we will end the meeting.
Samrita, do you have any doubt?